everyone, it's Mariah. Today I'm going to show you the 4 basic body measurements that you need for when you're sewing, and also if you want to do some shopping online and buy for yourself. So the 4 basic measurements that we're going to show you today is the bust, waist, hip, and the back of your neck to your waist. So the first measurement, we're going to do the bust. To measure the bust, you want to measure around the fullest part of your bust. You want to measure around the fullest part, and you also want to make sure that everything looks parallel around. So I'll show you on the side how that should look. Okay, that's the fullest part, and on the side, everything should look parallel to each other. So this shouldn't be, dipping or, and you also want to make sure that it's not too tight because you want to make sure that it fits. So that's the bust. And now we're going to do the hip. Now I have an adjustable dress form, so this is actually like a high waist measurement. We're going to do the waist measurement, not the hip. And we're actually going to measure right here because on my dress form, this sits where the natural waist will sit at. And also, so this is where your natural waist will be. I can show you on the side how that should look. As you can see, everything is parallel to each other. Nothing is like dropping or anything, Everything is parallel to each other. Also, another way, like if you're measuring yourself, another way that you can find that measurement is right above your hip bone. So if you put your hands in your waist is right on top of that. And that's how you can find that measurement when you're using your ruler on yourself. And now we're going to do the hip. The hip usually sits 9 inches down from your waist. I actually have it marked right here on my dress form. So we're going to measure the hip. And the hip measurement, your butt is included in that too. So you want to measure around the fullest part of your bottom. So this is the fullest part, and on the side, as you can see, everything looks parallel to each other. This is the fullest part of my dress form. When you're measuring, you want the fullest part of your bottom part. And now for the last measurement, we're going to do the top of your back neck to the waist. Now we did the waist measurement, so we know where the waist is at. So we're doing this, you want to do right at the top of your neck, right to your waist. Let me turn this around so you can see that a little bit better. So the top of your neck to the bottom of your waist. So that's the 4 basic body measurements that you will need for when you're sewing or if you're shopping online and you want to, buy something for yourself. Also, make sure when you're measuring yourself, make sure that you're not wearing anything too bulky. You want to make sure, I usually tell my clients to wear like a tank top and leggings for measurements, but when you're measuring yourself, it's always best to measure yourself in your underwear or have someone else measure you. Also, make sure you're using a flexible ruler. Please make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Mariah Hemmingway, and where you can see more of my works. And also check out my website at mariahseemsnice.com. Thank you. See ya.